dust storm right now.
Anything in front of us. Can you see? It's blur right now.
For a second I thought, oh, there's dust. This is a tornado. Left में देखो, left में देखो, left में देखो, घूम रहे देखो.
Dust flying here and there. We tried to open the windows but couldn't because a lot of dust was coming inside.
This is the dust storm. This is like a sandstorm, yeah, kind of thing. The tornado लग रहा है. That's why that Google map was not showing us to take that road.
Maybe this is the reason why. It's clear now. Our first rain after the summers in Delhi.
Guys, you can see the climate. The temperature is 31 degree, and just while we were just speaking about the climate outside just about 5 minutes ago, and it was 42 degrees. Suddenly it started. You saw the storm, and there was so much of dust, and now it started raining, and now the climate has suddenly changed fraction of seconds. From 42 this has come down to 31 degree. So what a great experience. This is probably one of the best experience that we had. Today's day 3, and
sudden change in the temperature.
Exactly. So you take an exit for Badli and Rohtang. It's still another 19 kilometers? 19
Yeah, I think it
kilometers.
was 90.
This Western Peripheral Expressway looks so nice. This possibly will be the extension for the Mumbai Delhi Expressway. So there's all things are flying around. Oh God, this is amazing. So yeah, Delhi Mumbai Expressway is on the cards. 2023 will be ready, and I'm sure we'll be doing many road trips in the north, because Mumbai to Delhi can be converted, can be completed in less than 16 hours.
From 42 to 37, and right now the temperature is 22 degrees and it has started raining heavily.
And you can see the dark clouds, and the cars are so white because of the reflection on the opposite side. It's bright, and this is the opposite, so it's so bright. The car is glowing. Not too sure if it's visible, but super cold now inside the cabin, but outside temperature is 22. So from 42 degrees it came down to 22 degrees.
We are exiting right now from the Delhi Western Periphery Expressway. It's still raining here, and we got to know from the news that in some parts of Delhi there was hailstorms as well.
The dust storm followed by
Rain.
Yeah. So this rain is still going on, and pretty heavy. So we are taking the exit of the famous Western Peripheral Expressway. So straight goes Ghaziabad and Delhi, and left you take Ambala, Panipat and Chandigarh. So we are off to Chandigarh, and via Chandigarh we'll be going to Amritsar. So now we are on the Grand Trunk Road, which takes you straight to Amritsar via Chandigarh. So one of the most busiest highway in north of India. Lots of heavy vehicles during peak time and even late in the night as well. So we just had a coffee break. We had a cappuccino, an Assam tea, and a Darjeeling tea. It was really nice. We had a fuel station, so we fueled up at Punjab. So just forgot to mention we are in Punjab. So we fueled up, and the fuel is 96 rupees, 96 point something, and yeah, just adjacent to the fuel station we had a coffee shop. So it was really nice.
Are you feeling fresh?
Yes, I'm feeling very fresh because I was feeling very sleepy. So after the coffee shot, it's much better. And I couldn't shoot because it was raining very heavily, so couldn't shoot much. But then yes, we have taken few pics from the mobile, so possibly we'll upload those on the videos as well. And now we're straight heading towards Chandigarh. So I've put the Chandigarh map just to ensure that it doesn't take me to any of the shortcuts. So Chandigarh we'll be reaching Chandigarh at 9 o'clock in the 9 p.m. So that's about 186 kilometers drive, 3 hours and 12 minutes. So far so good. The road looks good. So this goes via Panipat, right?
Yes. And the rains have disappeared suddenly.
Suddenly the rains have disappeared. Sun is trying to come out of the clouds. And beautiful road. This is a 4-lane road. Wow. There's something on the left side. Oh, this is the 75th Nirankari Sant Samagan. So it seems some kind
of a summit, maybe.
yes.
Pilgrims.
So here it says Sant Nirankari on the left, Aldana on the left.
So guys, it's 6 o'clock right now and we have reached Krishnapura, and we still have 190 kilometers ahead of us for Chandigarh, and it will take approximately 3.5 hours for us to reach there.
Yeah, so this is a bypass flyover. So just on overpassing the Krishnapura town. It looks quite a big town. I mean, if you see both the sides, there are a lot of small buildings. So while building this flyover, I'm sure a lot of
Redevelopment must have taken place.
correct. Yeah. So we have stopped at an HP fuel station for a washroom break. We are in Punjab. We've crossed Rohtak. So now Amritsar is about 400 kilometers. As you can see, nice view. It's a busy highway. Still the quality of road is so good. And just a quick stretching of legs and we should be off. Guys, we just crossed a toll which was for 120 rupees. I believe this is up until Chandigarh, so the road, I'm expecting the road to be awesome, like the one that you can see right now on the screen. And Karnal is about 6 kilometers, so just 6 kilometers before Karnal you'll get that toll. The road has been very good from Delhi up until Chandigarh, so it was a very good decision for us to take this route. So today we have covered a lot of cities, starting from Udaipur, then we crossed over Ajmer, Jaipur, Delhi, where we had a sandstorm experience and heavy rainfall after Delhi. I think so from Delhi to Rohtak we had full rain. After Rohtak everything was clear, it's dry now. And now we will be crossing Chandigarh, Ludhiana and then Amritsar. So we have reached Karnal and the time right now is 6:50 PM and Karnal is situated in Haryana. So this is well known for industrial sector and even agricultural sector. So this lies in the border of Haryana, Punjab and Himachal as well. So it has a very good strategic location. We are heading again for Amritsar. Amritsar is showing 332 kilometers. Jalandhar is 251. Ambala is 79. So stay tuned for further updates. It will be getting darker now. So just wanted to ensure that we are taking the right route. So Google again.
Meters, slight left onto Ambala Chandigarh Expressway.
Expressway. Okay, so left ही लेते फिर. Chandigarh Expressway बोला ना? So we're trying to see which is a better one. Chandigarh. Oops. Let's ask local.
Slight left onto Ambala Chandigarh Expressway.
भाई So we crossed Ambala and we've changed the plan. We are not going to Chandigarh. We are taking the suggested route by one of the local taxi driver, and he was really kind enough to mention to us that you can continue with the same route which is being suggested by Google Maps as well. So the route says if you're coming from Delhi and if you want to go to Amritsar, the best route is via Ambala. You need to take Ludhiana, Jalandhar and Amritsar route. So, and he mentioned to us that बस आप इस रोड को छोड़ना नहीं, सीधे सीधे निकलते रहिए. So this is what we are going to do, because when you cross Ludhiana, there will be slight diversion, so you can avoid taking any diversion and just stick to this road wherever it takes. I'll still keep you guys updated about the exact route map if there are any changes. Possibly we will have our dinner at Amritsar itself. The estimated arrival time is 12:10. So even if we reach at 12:30, we are okay with that. We can have anything what is available. If we don't get anything, we'll probably skip our dinner or have something snacky that we have already. So we have the toll here. The estimated arrival times is 12:09. 243 kilometers from here, and it takes 4 hours. 75 rupees is the toll, and quick tag. That's right. So it's pretty dark. Keep everyone posted about the route because it's definitely a challenging route. Luckily all the roads are good, but we don't want a situation late in the night where we end up going to a Google Map suggested road which goes to an extremely village side road. It happened to us and we crossed Ahmedabad. So stay tuned, guys. So we have stopped at a dhaba. We couldn't find much. We wanted to stretch our legs, so Ludhiana is still away 10 kilometers. Then there's Jalandhar as well, which is about 60 odd kilometers, 60 to 70 kilometers. But then we didn't want it to wait too long, so we just wanted to stretch our legs. So we stopped at Baldev Dhaba, and we'll see you around. I'll get inside and check what's good to eat. अरे
चैनल पे डाल दोगे?
अरे बोलिए बोलिए बिंदास. ये लो आप आपके खुद को देख लीजिए.
नहीं आवाज़ है वो सर जी आगे वाला काम कर दिया.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. So guys, we have ordered starter. We have half portion of tandoor and half portion of chicken tikka just to try. This is the start of Punjab food, so just wanted to try. I'm not too sure if this is very well known. It's about 5-year-old eatery restaurant. Main course we order butter chicken half and roti. So let's see how it tastes. Ambience is not that great. It's quite dark as well. So as you can see, this is the place. Hi, so how was the food?
The starters that we ordered were really nice, very good in taste. However, butter chicken that we ordered, little too much of expectation was there. However, it was not up to the mark. So I think that needs a little improvement. That's it.
So butter chicken we ordered boneless, but then they ran out of boneless chicken. So we got with bone, but it was tender. The flavor was missing only because of the fact that I feel that the chef may have added a bit more water. Hence it was kind of runny gravy. That's why it was missing that flavor. But still, if you have to ask me, I loved it because it still had flavor. When you soak in that roti, it gives a lot of flavor. That is what I felt. So I still would give you a recommendation to come here and have it once.
You got the chef's suggestions.
Yes, I loved it.
ਇੰਨੀ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਹੈ ਗੁਰੂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਜੀ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ
ऐसे बोलते हैं कि वो पानी में धो के तभी अंदर जाना चाहिए.
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈਰ ਵੀ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਇਸ਼ਨਾਨ ਆ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਹੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੱਥਾ ਟੇਕੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਤੰਦਰੁਸਤ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਕੀਮਤੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ ਰੁਪਈਏ ਦਾ ਹੱਥੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਣੇ ਜੋ ਸਰੀਰ ਹੈ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ
सही बोले.
ਸਰੀਰ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ
सही बोले.
ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਪੈਰ ਪੂਏ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਜ਼ਮੀ ਘੱਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ
So we had our dinner and we left from the hotel right now. It's 10:20 right now, and the Google Maps shows that it will take approximately 2 hours and 44 minutes for us to reach the hotel that we've booked.
So 1 o'clock we'll be reaching. Distance will be 166 kilometers. And that's for Amritsar. And we've set the destination to our hotel. So we will reach the hotel and get back to you.
So guys, it's 12:45 right now, and we have finally reached Amritsar. And it was a tiring day for us because we started our journey at 4 o'clock in the morning. 4:30 in the morning, and we reach right now at 12:45.
300 meters. Keep right at the top.
So it's kind of a day where we covered a lot of cities, almost 4 states, and
Keep right at the fork.
now it's almost like 20 hours that we have been on the road. So yes, tomorrow is going to be a day where we will be exploring Golden Temple and Jallianwala Bagh. And then plan is to also visit some other places, so you'll come to know. And there's a surprise as well. We may be going ahead immediately, leaving Amritsar tomorrow itself. So stay tuned, guys. Good night, sweet dreams. Thank you so much.
Take care. Bye.